Dollar3us reviews, is Dollar3us legit or a scam? Dollar3us reviews, is Dollar3us legit or a scam? If you've seen Dollar3us advertising cheap products or deals online, you might wonder if it's safe to shop there. Is it a legitimate website, or is it a scam? Most people get this wrong by judging legitimacy based on flashy images and low prices. The surprising truth is that Dollar3us shows several warning signs. Many users report missing orders, lack of responses from customer service, and issues with refunds. There is also limited information about the company's location or contact details, which raises further concerns. You won't believe what happens next. Even if orders arrive, the product quality often doesn't match the website's claims. Websites like this use low prices to attract buyers, but the risk of poor quality products or fraudulent charges is high. To shop safely, verify reviews on independent platforms, check for secure payment methods, and research the company's contact information. Avoid sharing sensitive personal data beyond what's necessary for a purchase. In conclusion, Dollar3us carries significant risks for online shoppers. While some orders may go through successfully, many users report poor service and unreliable products. It's safer to stick to verified online retailers with established reputations.